Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple designer bangle set. Let's start. Take a bangle, 2 bangles of same mm and 4 bangles of different mm. Take a thick bangle, apply glue, and paste blue color thread on the bangle and wrap it tightly all over the bangle. And this thread I have taken 40 strands. Wrap it tightly all over the bangle. After wrapping, paste the thread at the end. And now take a thin bangle and paste golden color thread. And this thread I have taken 25 strands. Wrap it tightly all over the bangle. And now take a blue color bangle, apply glue and paste round antique kundans. Around that, paste golden color ball chain around that kundan. After pasting, cut at the end and paste it. Again around the ball chain, again apply glue and paste white color stone chain. White color stone chain. After pasting, at the end cut the extra chain. And paste it. Then now at the corner of that round we have made apply glue and paste golden color ball chain. After pasting, cut at the end and paste it. Again apply glue and paste golden color ball chain. Now on both the corner of that golden ball chain we have pasted apply glue and paste white color stone chain. Again another side, similarly stone chain. And now on the other side, apply glue and paste white color ball chain. Cut at the end, 2 lines of ball chain and 2 lines of stone chain. At the center, 2 ball chain. At the corner of that, stone chain. I'm pasting stone chain now. After pasting, cut the extra chain. And now at the bottom, apply glue like this and paste plastic kundan, golden color plastic kundan like this. First 2 kundan. Now at the center of that 2, at the bottom 1 kundan I have pasted. Similarly on the other side I am pasting now. Now I have done a second side. Now similarly do this for 3 sides. I have done now. That's it, a bangle is ready. I have made another bangle and a golden bangle of 4 bangle. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles.